Hey hello everyone, Namaste, my name is Ansarian. In today's video, I shall be telling you a fabulous speech on plastic pollution. This video is also going to be alternative as you can say an awareness video as well. Without wasting much more time, let's start our. Friends, now if we talk about plastic pollution, it is one of the type of the pollution that we have. There are a lot of pollutions like noise pollution, sound pollution. Noise and sound pollution are the one thing, and air pollution, water pollution. In that, like pollution. So from that only, our plastic pollution is also another type of pollution. So what is basically happens is in this modern life, each and every human being is covered with a lot of e-tech appliances and we can say a lot of things like dress, food, electronic gadgets like TV, mobile phones, etc. etc. But most of these things are made up of a material known as plastic. Plastic is something that is non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable means it can't be decomposed by the microorganisms. So this type of thing is very harmful and dangerous for the organisms that stay on the earth. Why that is so? Let me explain. We have a lot of things, a lot of lives, like human life, human civilization. We have our microorganisms, we have our dog species, cat species, and a lot of animals are there. They all, within them all, human species is the most intelligent and powerful of all. In that case, human species have developed one material which is known as plastic. Now, this plastic is a material that microorganisms can't decompose, or in other words, that's biodegradable. Okay, so that biodegradable thing is so harmful that you cannot imagine about that. This thing is used by our day-to-day life, and we use it in day-to-day life. Even if we have to buy something, then at that case also we get a plastic bag and just carry that thing to our home, right? So we all know that very dangerous it is. But how dangerous? See, plastic is a thing I have repeated around 3 times that it is non-biodegradable. So that means microorganisms can't eat it. Okay. If microorganisms can't eat it, then the plastic is going to stay on the earth for a long period of time, isn't it? And for your knowledge only, let me say that the plastic basically takes 1000 years to decompose actually. Understood? So if we talk about that case, if we talk about that thing, how dangerous it could be. See, when we talk about how dangerous it could be, we can say that the animals or the stray animals like cows, we talk about the hens, dogs, cat, pig, goat, these all animals just consume all of these. And while consuming that, yes, this is also, if microorganisms can't eat it, how can they digest that? So in that case, they wouldn't be able to digest that, and if the food is not digested, what is the consequences of that, right? When we talk about that, even our human society is also harmed. How? You see, plastic is something that we can burn as well. Yes, we can also burn it. So you will be saying that, okay, if we can burn it, then what is the issue? If we burn the plastic, it will be vanished in just 3 to 5 minutes. Then what to worry about? But if that thing is correct, but it is partially correct. How? Because if we burn the plastic, when plastic is burned, it releases very hot toxic gases. Toxic means it is full of harmful chemicals and that gases is harmful for the human civilization or human society. In that case, if a person consumes that gas, then what is going to happen? Of course, if that is toxic, like carbon dioxide is also a toxic gas, sulfur is also a toxic gas. So, like that only, if we consume them as well, what is going to happen? The person is going to die. In most of the cases, it has been found that people are dying because of paralysis, people are dying because of some other diseases, and when reports come, it's said that they die because of toxic gases. Now, see how? What can be the possible reasons? Yes, they might have burned a plastic and consumed that gas, and they might have died. That can be one of the consequences of that. Understood? So, like, continuously government is trying to means put down the uses of plastic in all the subcategories, but only government can't do that, because there are over 8 million, or not actually, not 8 billion actually, right? But if we say, it is around 8 million people on the earth. So if all of them started using the plastic, then what is going to happen? Most of these plasticas are thrown to the water bodies, and then these create water pollution. And so, where we are going to do, what we are going to do of this plastic? What things we can do of this plastic? What we are going to do? You can recycle this plastic. Not only government can do it, you are the only person who can reduce the use of plastic by recycling them and using paper bags, paper cups instead of these plastics. Yes, completely refresh this plastic to paper. In that case, it would be a very great thing to do. And so you see, the purpose of making this video is to make you understand that how important is to reduce down the use of plastic. So I hope you understood something from this video, and if you like this video, please click on that subscribe button and also the like button below that. So I will be meeting you in my next video. Till then, bye bye everyone, and be sure to use the paper bags instead of plastic. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.